y'all, it's Kennedy Simone here, and I am back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew because we're the best crew, and you know, follow me on the gram as well. But yeah, if you couldn't tell from the title, this is gonna be 10 mistakes you should avoid for your freshman year of college. There's a lot of things that's unknown and kind of not talked about when you're entering into college freshman year, just because everything is new and you don't really know. But as a rising sophomore, I've been through my freshman year at Spelman, you know, and I've learned a lot of things that I really want to tell you guys and let you guys know, so you won't make the same mistakes that I have or other people have done, and just things that I've learned along the way. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So the first mistake that a lot of freshmen make that I would tell you guys not to make is skipping dorm meetings and like freshman events or just events in general, especially new student orientation week. You want to go to every dorm meeting for sure. For us, it was mandatory, but I would definitely recommend go to all your dorm meetings or meetings with your RA. And try to go to your freshman events or like just events with your dorm, different stuff like that. I know my dorm and many other freshman dorms at Spelman had different dorm events, and we will be doing different activities or exercises to get to know each other, know the people in your dorm, get to know more freshmen. You know, it's just a better way to like get acquainted with the school and get acquainted with the college life. And it starts off with where you live, your dorm. So I would definitely recommend you go to your dorm events and your meetings and all that, and you'll be good. So number 2, not getting involved. A lot of freshmen are adjusting to college life and they think like, let me not do anything and just kind of get acquainted. That's not really the best route I would recommend. I wouldn't say join every single club, but I'm just saying, you know, join at least one club. You'll have something to do, you'll make friends, all that kind of stuff. Not being involved is just not the route you should take. It's honestly going to get really boring if you're not involved. So I would just recommend doing that to kind of alleviate some stress when you're in your classes and studying for all that kind of stuff. So the third thing, it kind of goes along with the last one, but staying in your dorm room. Don't do that. You know, get out. You know, I know you go to your classes and you go to the cafe or get food or whatever, but get out more. Like, go to events. Like for Spelman, we have Market Friday. We sometimes go to Hump Wednesday at Morehouse. Just different college events. It's there for you. College is more than just about classes. Of course, that is the main thing, academics. But the college experience includes a variety of things. So definitely don't stay in your dorm. Yes, you'll probably have good grades if you only go to class and go back to your dorm room, but what's the fun in that? College is fun if you make it, so definitely don't stay in your dorm room all day, girl. Get out. Get out. So the fourth mistake to avoid is not getting to know your professors. You need to get acquainted with your professor. Make them know your name. Go to their office hours. Participate in class. I know, you know, not every college is like smaller. Like Spelman, like we have about 30 people in our class or less. Definitely try to participate as much as you can in your class. I know some people have like huge lecture classes where obviously it's not going to be that much participation going on, more so listening. But if you can participate, definitely go to the office hours. Just make them remember you in a positive way, because that'll just help when it comes down to that 89 or 90 or 92 or 93. Just try to be acquainted and have a good relationship with your professor, because you know, you never know when you're going to need them in the long run, whether it be a career field or a recommendation to your grad school or something like that. You never know. So just always be courteous to everybody, but you know, especially your professors. The fifth mistake to avoid as a freshman, not checking your email. Like, this is real deal serious. Like, your email has a lot of information that you're going to need, like stuff that affects your college career. So definitely check your emails. You might get a canceled class, so check your emails. You might have information about clubs and meetings and all that kind of stuff. You might have some scholarship opportunities in there. Real gems in the emails, okay? Even the summer, like I know before school started and kind of the beginning, I wasn't really checking my emails like that. I would check them maybe once a week. Don't be like me. I literally missed out on so much because I didn't check my emails. So definitely put those notifications on your phone, put the email, check them like 3, 4, 5 times a day. Every time you think about your emails, check them. And if not, check them 3 times a day, morning, noon, and night, okay? You're gonna wanna check it because you never know. You never know. I'm just saying. Number 6, don't buy textbooks from the bookstore. Like, everybody tells you that, and it's for real. Like, we're being for real. Like, don't buy those books from the bookstore unless you can't find it anywhere else. I know ADW is specific to Spelman, so you know you can't really find it anywhere else. So that is, you know, an exception, and you know your classes may have that kind of exception. But for the most part, those books will be online on a PDF, on check for cheaper. Find an upperclassman, anything. Like, you don't want to buy the book from the bookstore unless you have to. And if you do, try to get a book voucher if you can. Like, try to use your book voucher to buy a book from the bookstore, because they be taxing, okay? They be really trying to get your money, and I'm not trying to have you go down like that, okay? We're not trying to be broke. I told y'all in my other video, I'm gonna link it right here, but you don't want to be broke as a joke. It's not cute. It's not fun. So yeah, don't buy books from the bookstore, okay? Number 7, people don't look at their syllabus throughout the year. They look at it the first day and they're like, cool. But don't look at it every week at this point. The syllabus is the guide to passing the class. Try to stay ahead. They have everything mapped out for you. You know when every date is, every test is. Okay, maybe not pop quizzes, but you know when everything is pretty much due, okay? You're going to want to try to be ahead. If you can, start something early. Get it done like days before. If you can, a week before. It saves you so much stress because things happen. Life happens. You never know what's going to be happening the day something is due. Your computer might crash and you lost all your documents and you don't have time to redo it, and they're going to be like, literally, I gave you the syllabus, you know about this the first day of class, and it's almost finals time, so what's the excuse? Professors are really like that. They're not going to have remorse sometimes because they did give you the syllabus the first day. So you know everything unless they add something, and if you do, I'm pretty sure they're going to give you ample time to do it, so there should be no excuses. So I'm going to just let you know right now, when you get your syllabus, start putting it on your planner. Try to put the due dates before it's actually due, and you'll be set. So yeah, definitely take that into consideration when you're in the first weeks of class and you're getting the syllabus and you're kind of looking at it like, okay, cool, yeah, I have time. Time be running fast, okay? Time waits for nobody and no one. So yeah, definitely take that in consideration. Syllabus is everything, okay? Okay. Number 9, boys. Don't we love them, right? But yeah, don't have high expectations for freshman boys or just boys in college in general, okay? Most of them are not really looking for a relationship. Most of them probably just want one thing, and y'all know what I'm talking about. So definitely don't be booed up after the first week of meeting some dude. Like, it's no. Match their energy. That's my number 1 rule. Like, everybody knows, I always say match their energy. Okay, if they not doing enough, girl, don't pay them any attention. Keep that energy real low, because they energy real low, okay? Match their energy. Don't ever be doing the most and he over there barely talking to you or blowing you off, or just kind of keep your expectations to a minimum. Like us all, we're just trying to explore our options. In college, especially freshman year, you're probably not going to meet many people looking for a relationship, and those people are very rare. Definitely take that advice. It'll save you a lot of heartbreak and all that kind of stuff that comes along with that. And the last and final mistake to avoid, wasting time and procrastination. Don't do it. In college, it's not going to work out so well. Like, yeah, high school may have been a breeze. You could have procrastinated on a couple things, some projects and homework assignments and tests or whatever. But in college, the weeks be going by, the days be going by. Like, you really can't be wasting time. Like, you should be doing something for every single class, pretty much every single day or every other day, because you're constantly learning new things and you're gonna need to retain it because most finals are cumulative, and you want to just be prepared for the next level of the course, and you want to try to retain the knowledge in general. So definitely try to be productive every day. Keep yourself motivated and be productive every single day. Try to find that motivation that, you know, drives you. Think about your end goal, you know, if that drives you, or, you know, whatever really drives you to be productive and be motivated. Try to think of that every single day, and especially use time management wisely. There's a lot of things that's going to be going on throughout your college life and your normal everyday life. So definitely try to use time management because it kind of gets busy. So you want to use time management so you have enough time to do your work and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, definitely try to use your time wisely and be productive, okay? Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Definitely, you know, binge watch my college vlogs and my college advice related videos. So I'll put those in the iCards as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Simone.